Hi, we're at Eglington West subway station. We're going to be paying a visit to Old Park Pharmacy today, hopefully. Hopefully they'll talk with us. It's an independent pharmacy that's been operating for several years, and it was a special spot for Karen and I, which original owner Gail Rose, I would deliver to every day. So why don't we take a walk down and see if they're open and see if they'll talk to us. This, when I was working with National Drug, and I know Gordon Every should be watching this one, was part of 3 different runs. It started out as the V1, then it went to the W6, and then went to the TG, and I had been its driver for close to 7 years before I moved on to the Lakeshore and Etobicoke, Mississauga. One thing about Eglington Avenue is it's just rich, and like in all parts of older Toronto, and independent businesses. This is Allen Road here. This has all been redone since Karen and I left. It wasn't as wide as this or built up as this. As Ken Continuum said, this is where things get really strange. The Eglington West subway station is right there, and this will be the Cedarville station for the Eglington LRT line. Doesn't make a lot of sense. They could have combined the two, I'm sure. This area, when we lived here, was predominantly Jewish in its makeup. And of course, at Old Park Pharmacy, that's where the president of National Drug and Metis, Frank Goodman, used to come shop for his grandpa, so I used to run into him all the time there. Made life sometimes very awkward. I know T-Shods did an entire walk of Eglington, and T-Shods, a nice shout out to you. I'll be leaving your neck of the woods, you guys, on Friday and back home to Alberta. I want to thank Ken and all the rest of you for helping out. I know I gotta talk to her about Ken about properly live streaming on this, and get a few pointers while I'm at it before I head back to Alberta. And now we're in Forest Hill. And that was just an accident. Somebody drove out of the intersection into that car. He is not happy. I don't blame him. Maybe he didn't see the car. He's quite angry. And that'll back up traffic for a while. Just, you know, I caught it on camera. Excuse me. Just in case. Hey. Hey. I caught it on my camera too. Anyway. This sounds like a nifty place. When I have some money, I'll have to stop. And here we are at Old Park Road. And the pharmacy's just up the street from here. This is very upper class neighborhood. And here we are. And this is Old Park Pharmacy. I was going to run in and come and have a chat with them. And I'll see if you can record.